Today's featured car of the day is a 1958 Chrysler Saratoga two-door hardtop with a 392 Hemi and a torque flight automatic transmission. And this one is a well-maintained older restoration and has the rebuilt engine and transmission. This one also has the push-button transmission on the dash, which is neat. And it's painted in Chrysler Matador red and ermine white. It was originally built in Los Angeles and sold new in Long Beach, California. Production number wise, they built 4,456 of the two-door hardtops in 1958. And this one bid to $42,000, but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a good looking car. It's definitely done right and well maintained. It was definitely taken care of. And this was part of the fourth generation of the Chrysler Saratogas, which went from 1957 through 1960. And it had a 126-inch wheelbase and was 218 inches long. The 392 Hemi had 345 horsepower with the four-barrel carburetor. And that's today's featured car of the day, a 1958 Chrysler Saratoga two-door hardtop. And it had the 392 Hemi and a torque flight transmission. Painted Matador red and ermine white, and was a great looking car, which bid to $42,000, but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.